Grandmaster Yuan Chengshi held a I Ching Feng Shui lecture at Chiayi National Tung-Shih Senior High School on the March 22nd, bringing the Dharma of I Ching Feng Shui to Chiayi Puzi area and praying for peace and blessings for the local people. 唯心圣教 headquarters 仙佛寺 Temple, along with Tung-Shih Branch Temple, Chiayi Branch Temple, Douliu Branch Temple, WXTV Station, Taiwan Weixin World Peace Promotion Association, and Weixin Shengjiao Merit Foundation jointly sponsored the event, with the cooperation of Weixin Shengjiao branch temples and classrooms throughout Taiwan, spreading the Dharma widely and sharing the merits of the Dharma. On the morning of the March 22nd, Grandmaster Yuan Chengshi, Master Yuan Xin, and board member Yuan Feng first visited Chiayi Zhouhuashan coincided God Bar Temple to offer incense and prayers, reporting the message of the lecture, and respectfully welcoming coincided God Bar Bodhisattva to descend upon the National Tung-Shih Senior High School auditorium to jointly turn the great Dharma wheel of eliminating disasters and bringing world peace together. They then visited the Bengang Port Temple to offer incense, paying respects to Mazu and Guanyin Bodhisattva, respectfully inviting them to descend upon the lecture venue and praying for their compassionate protection of the people and for peace. Meanwhile, the various working groups of the lecture organizers moved into the Tung-Shih Senior High School auditorium to begin setting up the venue. Volunteers began guiding the local elders who came to listen to the lecture to take their seats. Local dignitaries and social elites also arrived at the venue one after another. Grandmaster Yuan Chengshi arrived at the venue at noon and was warmly welcomed by the various cultivators lining the path. The lecture officially began at 2 p.m. After the host introduced the participating guests, Mayor Wu of Chiayi Puzi gave a speech welcoming Grandmaster Yuan Chengshi to propagate the Dharma and all the guests to participate in the event, hoping that this good deed would continue. Following this, Secretary General Yuan De of the Weixin Shengjiao Merit Foundation, President Yuan Yi of Weixin Shengjiao Yijing University, Vice President Yuan Xin of Weixin Shengjiao College, and Chairman Yuan Wu of the Taiwan Weixin World Peace Promotion Association took the stage one after another, giving speeches sharing the necessity and importance of learning the wonderful Dharma of I Ching Feng Shui, and encouraging the local people to participate in learning together. Grandmaster Yuan Chengshi started the lecture of propagating I Ching Feng Shui and pointed out that last year, Wang Chanlaozu revealed that this year there would be inexplicable calamities in Chiayi and Tainan areas. Therefore, a grand Dharma ritual for praying for peace, eliminating disasters, and protecting the nation was held here to promote I Ching, Feng Shui, and religion. Furthermore, on October 12th of this year, a grand lecture of I Ching Feng Shui for saving from calamities and praying for peace will be held in Hualien, wishing for Taiwan's peace, wishing for the peace of every household, wishing for harmony among people, and wishing for peace across the Taiwan Strait. Grandmaster Yuan Chengshi led the assembly in prayer, asking for the blessings of Wang Chanlaozu and the Dragon Heaven Dharma protectors for world peace. Grandmaster Yuan Chengshi gave a discourse on the path to world peace and invited everyone to join in turning the wheel of world peace together, so that the world may be in harmony. The lecture concluded successfully, and everyone was filled with Dharma joy. Weixin Report, Wu Yunzhen, He Ming, Chiayi Branch Temple.